For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Galaxy Samsung S26 Ultra, and I'm sure this will work on a lot of the other versions below this, the S25, the S24, etc. And this is how to snooze your notifications. So if you've ever been like me, that you've received a notification and you see it, you got it, but you just don't want to act on it because you're doing something else or you're occupied with something else, whatever, there's a way to snooze that notification so it doesn't go away and it comes back until you do something on it. Okay, so let's dig right in. And we want to go to settings and then notifications and then advanced settings, and you want to do this one, show snooze button. Okay, you want that on. So now, and I've actually already received a notification, I just put test on it here, so if you see this, you can mark it as reply, or there's your snooze button. So we'll tap on snooze and show this notification again in, and you can pick how long you want. So if you want it to come back again in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, that's how you do it. It's really a handy feature. If you're like me, get a lot of messages, you don't want to act on them right away, you're doing something else, you're on your phone with something else, that's all you need to do is just go to the very right, the bell, and change your notification and save, and it'll come back either to haunt you or to help you, whatever, depending on the notification is. So that is my video on how to snooze a notification. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.